Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a course on Emend Africa. So let's say you registered as a tutor, so I want to show you how you can create your course. So this particular headings you are seeing here is because I logged in as the admin. In your own case, you're not going to be seeing those headings, those black stuff. So when you open your dashboard, it's going to be like this. So if you want to create a course, you click on create a new course. So click on this button, create a new course. It's going to load, and once it load like this, you need to input your course title. So the title of the course, so let's just say this is about Google Ads. So let's just say it's Google Ad course. So actually you already know the title of your course, so you should know the title of your course. Let me say this is learn Google Ads, learn Google. So let's say this is the title of the course. So if you do that, you copy this as well. So copy this and paste it as this log, so it will actually automatically fix itself. So here is asking you the course details. So if you click on this particular spot, if you don't know how to actually write your course details, let me open Emend on a new tab. Let me show you what I mean by course detail, what your course details is all about. So let's say I open this freelancing course. So course details is this particular field about this course. It says, do you want to have freedom, blah blah blah. So these are the course details. So that's what it is required you to put here. So if you don't know how to write that, or maybe you're finding it difficult to write a very killer course details, so what you have to do is, you see this particular button here, generate content. It's going to appear on your own dashboard. So anyone as a tutor, you're going to have access to this. Is actually ChatGPT API. So click on it, then tell ChatGPT something like help me to write help me to write an ad copy, or let's just say an ad copy for a Google ad course, So click on generate. ChatGPT the tool is going to help you generate your ad copy. Very good ad copy. You see, it has written very good one for me. So what I would need to do again is to scroll down maximum student. If I want if I want my course to be only few students that will register, so when I have at least 1,000 students, the enrollment should stop. So but I don't recommend that, because we want our course to be accessed to anyone, to everyone. So even if we have 100,000 students, everyone can register. So you can just leave it as 0. It's totally your choice. So difficulty level is by default intermediate, so you can choose between maybe beginner, intermediate, expert, or you can just say all levels. So you can still switch for beginner, can switch to all levels depending on how you want it to be. Then public course, if you make this a public course, it means people would not enroll. It is going to be a free course, so I won't recommend you click on this public course. So just leave it. If you click on this place, it's going to be a free course, so don't click on it. Then enable question and answer. If you want people to ask you question on the course, you can enable it. Even before they can enroll, they can ask question on the course. So it's actually good, but it's totally your choice. Now it asks for choose category. So here you will hover for the categories that we have. So we have a lot of categories, so pick the one that suits the course that you are actually creating. So let's say it's marketing. So now here you have to click on paid. If you want it to be a free course, you can leave it as free. But what's the need creating it? Well, you want to make money, so what you have to do is to click on paid. Now it will ask you how much does your course worth. So how much do you want your course to be? So I just want to say the price of my course is, let's say, 20,000, and or let's just say is actually 50,000. But if I still want to give discount, I can say, okay, instead of paying 50,000, you can pay 20,000 to get the course. So that's what it means by giving them discount. So instead of 50,000, they will pay 20,000. Sorry, 50,000, 20,000. So they will pay 20,000. So now your course thumbnail, make sure you generate a good thumbnail. So here you click on upload images. It's going to pop up like this. Yours might not be like this because I'm logged in as the admin, so I'm going to see a lot of pictures. Actually, yours might not actually be like this. So let's just say this is the, so let's just look for a particular pic. Let's just say this is the picture, so I can just use this picture as the course thumbnail. So I'm doing this for the tutorial purpose. Make sure you get a very good picture for your thumbnail. Now video, this is the intro video. This is very important, the video that people should watch first and see if your course is worth buying. So this is Emend. It has an intro video, so this is the video, the intro video that you should put on your own. So make sure you have an intro video, because it tells people what they're going to be getting if they buy the course. So let me quickly go to YouTube and get a video I will use as an intro. Okay, let me click on this and let me click on I guess I have poor network, but that's by the way. So go to your channel. So let me actually get a video I can use as an intro video. Videos, I click on manage videos. So let me quickly pick a video I can use as an intro video. So so get your YouTube video link. You can also use Vimeo. You can also use Vimeo. So but in this tutorial video I'm going to be using YouTube because that's the one available currently. So let me get the video link. My network is actually slowing. Let me copy from here. So go back to your course creator, then click on that place. It's going to ask you, is it an external video? If you want to upload then external URL actually. So this is a YouTube video. If it's on Vimeo, you can choose Vimeo. So but I want to use YouTube, so paste in the video link here, the intro video. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see course builder. So click on add new topic, then name your first topic. So my first topic should be Google Ads introduction, or Google Ads intro. So let's just say this is my first video. Then topic summary, if you have tests you can put. This is ChatGPT again, it can also help you write a good test. So Click on add topic. All right, so once you click on add topic, you're going to see lessons. So what you have to do here is to click on lessons. So now here is where you'll be adding the course modules. So the first lesson, the name of the first lesson, let's say Google Ads Intro. So let's say Google Ads Intro is the name of the first lesson, the first lecture. So you can switch to WP editor, but I prefer you use this editor. So now it asks us if we have text. If you have text, you can input here. If you don't have text, you can use ChatGPT. If you don't want to use text, it's totally your choice. You can leave it empty as long as you have actually done your your course description, which we did first using chat gpt. So let's go back to our course stuff, and here you input your featured image if you have. This is not a must. This is not a must. It's just maybe something if you want to do. If you don't want to do it, you leave it. It's not a must. It's an optional stuff. Then your video source, here is where you input your course video link, the first module of your course. So paste in the link here, paste in the YouTube link. If it's YouTube, if it's Vimeo, you put Vimeo. Then the duration of the course, you input the duration of the course. If you like, if you don't like, you leave it. See, automatically it has choose the duration of this particular course is 11 minutes and 32 seconds. So once you paste in the video link, automatically it will generate the video playback time, to automatically get the playback time. So if you have an attachment, if you have something you want to give them on this particular module, maybe you have a file or you have a software or you have a link you want to give to them, you click on this upload attachment. So you're going to upload the software or the file you want to give to them. Then if you click on this enable course preview, it means they will watch this course first. They will watch this module even before they enroll, something like this. If I come back, if I scroll down to course content, you see, okay, this one does not have preview for all the course modules. So that's what it means, leaving any course to actually allow people watch the course before they enroll. So that's what it actually means. So you can enable course preview, you can disable it, and once you are done, you click on update lessons. So here, if you want to include quiz, you can click on quiz, and maybe you want them to answer quiz. So name your quiz title, so I can just say what is Google. So you already know your quiz title. Then summary, ChatGPT can also help you write a summary. Just tell ChatGPT to help you encourage people that they must answer this course. So in your summary, you can just say this quiz is attached with a gift. If you can get the question correctly, you're going to be getting a gift. So you can just paste in this as the description. Is very, very good. So once you are done, you click on save and next. So here is going to ask you to ask your question. So add your question. Here is where you add your question. Click on add question, and it's going to appear like this. So my question is what is Google? So that's my question. What is Google? So by default it says true or false. So this is a kind of if you are asking them is Google this or is Google that, so it's by default true or false. But if you click on here, it's going to show you some some more stuffs, multiple choice, single, open-ended, blah blah blah, a lot of stuffs, image answering, a lot of stuffs. So let's just say I want to ask them, do you love Google, yes or no? So, or Google is good, is Google, or Google is good. So something like, you already know the kind of quiz to ask your student. So then answer required, it means they cannot skip this question. They must answer this quiz before they can go to the next course. So if you don't make it required, it means they can skip. So they will see the question, but it will be optional. If they want to answer, they can answer. If they don't want, they can skip. So but if you make it answer required, it means they must answer this question before they can go to the next course. So point for this answer, I can just say is 10 points. So it's 10 point, display point, yes. So they will see that if they get the correct answer, they will get the 10 point. So if you have some description, you can type, you can still ask the AI tool to help you auto generate your description. So this is by default true or false. So you can move true to be first, you can move false to be first, anyone you want. So true is the answer. If you click on false, it means false is gonna be the answer. So if they answer true, it means they fail it. If they answer false, it means they got it right. If they answer true, it means they, like, if you click on it, if you click on this now, it means true is the correct answer. So once you are done, you click on add to questions. Add to questions. So you can add another question if you want. You can add another quiz, another question if you want. So once you are done, you click on save and next. So this quiz is going to add for you. Then if you want them to have a timer for the quiz, let's say once they reach on the quiz stuff, they have just 1 minute to answer the quiz. So you can input the timer here and input the minute or maybe seconds. If they have 10 seconds to answer the question, you can do it everything you want here. So if you want to hide the quiz timer, you can click on this particular place. It will hide the quiz timer, so they won't see that their time is going. So once it reaches to 0, probably they have failed the quiz. They have failed the quiz. So that's how to do that. That's how to do that. It says quiz feedback mode. So you can just go through all of them. If you want them to retry quiz, if they fail, you can choose on this. If they want review mode, you can choose this. So everything is depending on your choice. Now passing grade, if they get 80%, it means they passed. So this works if you have multiple quizzes. So if they answer, if they got two right and fail one, it's gonna maybe give them like 70% or maybe 80%. So that's what it means. Mass question allowed to answer. So I would recommend you do this like 2 or 1. I would recommend if you do it 1, because you want them to answer the quiz just once. If they fail the answer, they won't answer the quiz again. So that's what it means. Advanced settings, quiz auto start. So all of this is what you go through. It's very easy. You can go through all of them. Once you are done, you click on save and next. So once you click on save and next, this quiz is gonna be created for you. So the quiz has been created for me. So assignment, if you want to give them assignment, you click on assignment. So if you go through all of this, they are very easy. They are very easy. So name of your assignment, give your assignment name here. So give it a name here. So you can just leave it as assignment. Then the summary, you can use chat, the AI bot to auto generate summary for you. So time limit, if you want to give limit for them to answer to do the assignment, so you can just say they have 3 days. You can input 3 Here you choose days. They have 3 days to submit the assignment. So total point is 10, minimum pass point is 5. So if they get 5 out of 10, it means they have passed. Then allow to upload file once. If you want them to upload, like the assignment, if it's a stuff that they can use pen, or maybe something they can do with a paper, they can upload it. So if you want them to upload more than one file, you can pick 2 here or 3. So let's leave it as 1. So maximum file size, you can pick your file size. This is 2 MB by default. You can choose to maybe 10 MB depending on what you want. After that, you click on update assignment. So this assignment is going to be created for you. It's going to be created for you. So once you are done, you can click on here again and add another lesson. Add another lesson in one particular module. Let me show you what that actually means. This is the first module of this. Let me close all this stuff. So this is the first module of this course. If you click on this first module, it has 5 lectures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lectures. So here, let me close this. So here, this is the first module. Google Ads Intro is our first module. So we can add more lessons if we want. We can click on lessons and we will add more lessons. So that's how that's what that thing means. So this particular first module has 5 lectures. So if we want to create another module, which is this particular one is another module, this particular one, it has 3 lectures inside of it. So you can click on add new topic. Add new topic. So you still follow the same way that we follow to create all of these first module. So that's how it is done. Then if you want to connect your Google Meet, if you want your student if you want to go live with your student, if you want to give them access to go live with you, you do that from here. Then set a time that you will be available, or like set your time that they should meet you on Google. So once they log into their dashboard, they're going to get notification that they should come to and that you are live on Google Meet, and they need you need their attention on Google Meet. So here is instructors. If you have more than, if the course is not, if you are two, like if the course, if you are not the only one that has the course, maybe you have two course tutors, you have 2 instructors, you can add the second person here. So click on add instructor. It's gonna ask you for the instructor. So if the instructor already registered on this side, you can search his name and it's gonna show. Let's just say Webit. So let's just say Webit. I can add Webit as the second instructor. So I can click on save changes. It means me and Webit are the instructor of this particular course. If you like, you can add more instructors. It's totally your choice. So let's leave it as only me. Then Zoom meeting, if you also want to go Zoom with your student, I'm not going to be talking about that now. We will create a different course, like we will create a different video explaining all of this to you. So course attachment, if you want to add some files, like some stuff, some tools, just like let me go to the course. Let me look for one particular course. So if you want to give them some tools when they enroll on your course, this is where you can do that thing. Let me show you something. So if I start this course, let me start actually. So if I have some file here, okay, let me scroll down. I have web programming tools. So this is file. This is a file I am giving them for free. So this particular one by the footer, web programming tool. So that's the file. If you want to give them some stuff, if you want to give them some free stuff when they enroll for your course, this is where you upload the stuff. So here, what will I learn? Tell them what they will learn. You can also just tell them what they will learn when they enroll on your course. Let me actually close this. Let me show you what that. Okay, let me close it. Let me show you what that actually means. So if you scroll down to this course, you will see what will I learn. So this is that field. Tell them what they will learn. Tell them what they will learn here. The targeted audience. This is this is the audience. This course is for those who want to launch a freelance web design design creator, those blah blah blah. So that's the audience you are targeting. You can put your text here. I mean, this targeted audience, you can input your text here. Then total course duration. So let's just say this course will last for 6 hours or 5 hours. Let's say 6 hours. So and the minute is 0, or you can just put in the hours your course would last. Then materials included. So let me show you materials included. I'll be giving you access to every tool, premium. So if there are some things you'll be giving them access to if they enroll for your course, that is where you will write that particular stuff. Then requirement or instructions. So this is it. No requirement. You don't have to be creative. So if there are some requirements they need to pass before they will enroll on your course, that is where this is where you will put those stuff. Then for tags, here you will put your tag. So accounting, so pick some tags. So when people search for this, they will get your course. So when they search for all of these, they will get your course. So course prerequisites, we will make a separate video for that. So that's if you want to, you can select the course prerequisites prerequisites. Anyway, that's by the way. So but we'll make a separate video on that. Then certificate, if you want to give them a certificate, so choose the kind of certificate you want to offer to them, you want to award to them when they complete your course. So if either you choose this one, you choose this one, there are a lot of certificate that we have here. You choose this one, you choose this one, you choose this one. This is by default landscape. You can pick a portrait, then choose anyone, let's say I want to choose this one, click on use this one, so it will pick that one. If you don't want to give them certificate at all, you pick on this use none. It means you are not giving them any certificate when they enroll for your course. So once you are done, there are no other stuff again. What you have to do is to click on publish. Click on publish here. Click on publish. All right, it says thank you, course has been published. So the admin of this site will have to review your course and make it live. So guys, I hope you now learned how you can create your course, how you can create your course on Emend Africa and make a lot of money when people buy your course. So thank you, see you on the next tutorial.